Y'all know what's going on, man. Retro family. Retro gang. Man, this your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kids coming back at you. Look, I'm in the shoebox. Look, the lottery has been revealed. Check out the other video. Look, do me one favor right now. Support my boy, the Shoe Butler. He gonna come in right now and let y'all know what's going on. But I need y'all to support my boy, the Shoe Butler. This raffle was a success. It would have not been a success. I jacked this feed on IG. So if I jack this feed game, I need y'all to go ahead and support him right now. Matter of fact, Shoe Butler, let's link in, man. Let's go ahead and link in right now. Let's link in right now, big dog. I'm not finna hold these people up no more, man. Link in, bro.
What's good? This is Shoe Butler. You can reach me on IG. Shoe Butler, TheeShoeButler. Instagram. Got the cards out here. Make it official. May not can't see it, but it's showing my IG, PayPal, Cash App, my phone number. You can reach me. DM, text, call. I got you.
Hey, man,
everything official.
I'm putting a stamp on it. I approve this message. Retro and Maddie approve this message. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, if I ain't got the heat, my boy Shoe Butler gonna have the heat and vice versa. We're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep this movement going. Like, you know, if y'all don't know, this is the real give back channel. We see what's going on the ShoeTube and YouTube, but we're really giving back, letting y'all know what's going on. And then in the streets, we're really giving back in the streets. Once again, we salute y'all. But look, the lottery person, we're gonna get this out the way right now, because we don't say you didn't have your chance to claim your parent. We just went live on IG. We went live on YouTube. The winner, Self_Haley. You are the winner. You got to 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. I'm gonna get 12:01. 12:01, which should be the next day. You got to go ahead, hit Shoe Butler, claim your pair. Hit me on YouTube under the Retro Rick and Maddie's Kids. Hit me on the IG under the Retro Rick and Maddie's Kids. Claim your pair. Cash App and PayPal, how you did the first way. Your 20 was already entered. You don't have to worry about the $20. So right now it's just $175. Shipping on me and my boy the Shoe Butler.
Got you on the shipping.
You
Claim your
good?
prize again. That's 12:01 Eastern Standard Time. You can DM me like you did. You can shoot my boy Retro, and we got you.
We got you.
12:01 Eastern Standard Time.
Now since that's out the way, you know I got to hit you with it, right? Retro family. Retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kids coming back at you. We at the shoebox. Look, we finna hit y'all with some heat. The lottery out the way, man. Hey, blessings. The lottery's out the way. I'm gonna step out the camera. We're gonna go ahead and look. We're gonna go ahead and hit you in the head with this heat right now. I won this pair. Actually, out the sneaker app. While standing in line at the Atlanta sneaker pop-up. Go figure, man. Look, if y'all don't know, me and my daughters, Maddie, my other 3 daughters, we got the phones on deck. We got the sneaker passes. We got everybody's size. They've been asking for their size. They got a size 7 locked in, 9, 11, 12, and I got, look, 15. I got the 15 locked in. That's 5 phones. Don't make me do it. So look, this Saturday and Sunday we'll be up here. Next Saturday and Sunday. But people don't know, the Nike pop-up is leaving March the 30th. You heard it here first. If anything changed, either myself or the Shoe Butler gonna let you know. We're gonna keep y'all linked in and informed. So if y'all coming down, thinking about coming to the 8 and holler at me and your boy, get out of it. We're gonna pull up with you, show you the whole experience. We're gonna move y'all in through the crowd, get you in and out. Trust me, man, I know them people down there. You don't know by now? They call me Young Retro, man. The pop-up guy, man. Atlanta didn't pop up on me. I popped up on Atlanta sneakers, man. Don't y'all ever forget it. Look, size 12, big dog. You don't want to mess up the name. How you pronounce it, big dog?
I got you. It's the Lo Mio Air Force Ones.
07. I love let me tell you this.
Dope box. What's that?
Let's open it up right now. I can't take it. Open it up right now. Let's open this up. Let's open this up right now, big dog.
Ooh, okay.
First of all, look, shout out Dominican Republic. I love the flag, man. Once again, whole lot of gang. If y'all out there in the DR, get at your boy, man. Me and my wife be out there on vacation. I'll pull up. We'll do a vigi, man. On boat, look, on water, off water. It don't matter, man. But look, let's get right into it. Look, man, you get one pair.
Okay, I'll get your
Cortez get one pair. I'm gonna get the other pair, big dog.
Okay.
I ain't gonna say pair, the other shoe.
The other shoe.
The other shoe. So look, my shoe is blue on the inside, big dog. What color you?
I got mine. Mine's red, so we got the little two-tone situation here. I got the red insole. You got the blue insole.
Okay. On the bottom, you got the milky. Mine got the red check. What you got on the bottom of yours?
Oh, okay. I got the Lo Mio on the bottom in blue. That's a dope little concept with the milky bottom.
So I got these shoestrings. They flat. I got the white laces and they kind of with the blue with the red with the blue speckles. You got the same, right?
Yeah, I got the. You can see it on camera. It's all red with the blue speckles, with the white aglets. Also, man,
these shit crazy. Go ahead, tell them about the laces, big dog.
On the laces, we got 3 other laces. We got the red, white, and blue.
So we got 4 laces total. 1 in the shoe plus 3 bags. You know your boy got a lace fetish. I love they give me the laces. I feel like y'all treat me right. Nike, y'all keep doing that. Make me switch up and do all that good stuff. But on my tongue, my tongue is blue.
You got the Dominican.
Dominican, what you want to say, big dog?
Republica on mine. You can see that on the camera. Also, we got on the back Dominicana. You can see that. So it's got Republica Dominicana on my shoe.
These things lit. Now if I did, first snatch these up. I don't say snatch them up. When I looked at them online, then the pop-up, I thought it was kind of like the PlayStation, because the PlayStation got this jelly light. This is not it. This is not like the jelly like the PlayStation. This is like some type of, I see, when you turn it, it's like blue, red. Basically, all the shoelaces is in this check. Every shoelace you got is in this check. So no matter what you rock, you can't go wrong, man. You can't go wrong, man. Then look, I'm gonna mess y'all up. You know that rattling noise we heard?
Yeah, what's that, man?
Bro, you wanna play some bones?
Shh. Put them out.
You wanna play some bones?
Where your money?
Man, look, bro. Hey, I've been helping out. I ain't got no money on that right now. But we got bones. Let me tell you how Nike took care of us, bro. All I tell you, big dog.
A whole set?
A whole set of bones.
Okay, so you put it through the shoelace.
Each one got each number with your shoelace. They give you bones, bro. Dominoes. If you don't know, you got dominoes on deck.
Dominoes with the Nike sign and everything in there.
Each one. So look, I'm gonna take these with me out of town. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna keep this pair. Me and my wife are gonna be traveling. So like when we get bored at the airport or wherever we at, guess what I'm pulling out? Hey Nike, I appreciate y'all for this. Look, it's a special pack. And this one, you know what I'm saying? It's a good cause. The guy that, I ain't gonna say I don't know him, but I'm sure when he designed this, he had it for a good cause for his people. And you know how we doing with our people, we always giving them back. Keep y'all informed on LinkedIn. Hey y'all, pop up us at the park on March, what is it, 15 or 16?
16.
16. We switched to the 16 because Friday it's gonna be raining. So we're gonna be out this Saturday. We're gonna be at the pop-up Saturday too. We got a prize for y'all. Link in. Saturday, when I come up live on the feed on YouTube, don't wanna miss this. I'm gonna have my whole gang with me. All 4 of my daughters. I'm sure my boy Tan's gonna be out there. Mont's gonna be out there. Dre, check in with me. OU, I know you gonna be out there. Certified, I know you gonna be out there messing with your boy. Fresh Goods, I know you gonna be messing with your boy. Look, man, I had to plug the whole game. Look, I couldn't do this without my guys, bro. I'm out here moving in and out. When I'm not there, Taz there, Shoe Butler there, Munch there, OU there, Dre there, Fresh Goods there. Look, what I did learn about this pop-up situation, we got something going on special now, Atlanta. Y'all listening to us? Because if I can't get a shoe, Taz can get it, Drake can get it, and then vice versa. If he can't get it, I can get it, bro.
Right.
We're gonna link in, right?
You gotta do that. Stay linked in strong.
So look, I love this shoe. I told you I'm gonna unbox y'all with some heat. Y'all see what my girl Maddie did with the wall. She done tagged the wall. Man, check this out, man. You know what I'm gonna hit y'all with? I love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Blessings. Don't forget that raffle winner,
Self_Haley, 12:01 Eastern Standard Time. But we're gonna go back on live and pick a new one.
Got the link in. Let's go and get that pair off. And then I got, actually, you know what? Real quick, I think after the raffle, somebody else hit us. After the raffle ended, if you want me to send you your money back, because you sent it to us like at 8:19 when we was going live, I can send you your money back. If not, if you want to use it towards us helping out the less unfortunate, let me know. And I promise you, man, I'll never forget it. Whoever sent it, him or her, whoever sent that, $20 after we was going live, we got y'all, man. Love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong, man. A whole lot of gang. We out.
too. You thought we was done? Ah, nah. We got a little something special for you today. It was only right. Instagram got some love on the raffle. So it was only right for me to do YouTube as well. We got a little something for you from the Shoe Butler. Alright, go. GS. We got the Jordan mids. Basically going after the gold toe looks and the highs that we had. All DS. Size 9. Again. Size 9. Brand new. Let these go tonight. 130. 130. Great deal.
Man, shot drop. Look, Retro Fam, link in, Shoe Butler. Man, look here, man.
What's that?
I'm finna do this for the game. Me and Maddie said shipping on us. If you and look, the 50 states, me and Maddie got the shipping. Look, how much you want for again, Shoe Butler?
130. No tax. 130.
Retro Fam, Retro Game, 130. Shipping on me and Maddie. Don't worry about it. If you overseas, international, you pay for your shipping, it's still 130. Man, look, let me tell you how I spell my boy name. Theebutle.
Follow me on Instagram. I link my information right here. You can see everything. You can cash out me, PayPal. It's all right here. Or you can give me a call and let me know. And I get you all squared away with these shoes. Like we said, 130. My boy gonna handle the shipping for him. And I get these out ASAP.
Let's get it. So look, this your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. We hit y'all with another shot drop. I told you, me and Maddie, Digi, be different. Big dog. I appreciate you for putting up in the box. Look,
Yes, sir.
the wall, Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Look, 1K. Look, when we get to 1,500, once I tell y'all, we're gonna have some more stuff coming up. Trust me, Shoe Butler gonna be here supporting us. I'm gonna support him. Let's get it. Follow my boy on IG. You know what I said, man. We love y'all. Stay strong, stay double strong. A whole lot of gang. We out.